This video's purpose is in regards to for the past 72 hours, I get on and off passenger side lifter noise. Not when I start up, let's say 170 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm driving. Let's say I want to step in it. You will hear that lifter for about maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds tops. I stop at a red light, or when I'm coming off the highway, stop. Motor still running, the ticking goes away. Now, I think it was yesterday, I made a sharp right turn and I hear the lifter start it up again. And I feel it's only the one. It's in rhythm, as though it's just that one lifter. But you Buick 455 guys, or any other motor guys, let me know. I spoke to Tim at TA Performance yesterday. I'm gonna remove this valve cover to check for push rod up and down plate. It's supposed to wiggle, it's supposed to turn, not up and down. That'll mean a problem. But I feel this, I hope, it's just the lifter not pumping up once in a while. I have the Lucas 10W40 high zinc motor oil. TA Performance told me last week it's okay to put that in the Buick motor. And I'm gonna do that after I remove the valve cover, passenger side valve cover. I already have another gasket, valve cover gasket. I have that in the trunk. So I'm gonna do that first. Check for that problem, put the valve cover back. Then I'm going to change the motor oil. I need to get another PF. P is in Philip, F is in Frank, 46 oil filter for Buick V6 and Buick 455, and that's thanks to No Lift at vabuick.com. He had the, I think it was an 84 Trans Am, GTA Trans Am, and he had a Buick 455 everything in there, air conditioning and all. So that's where I got the idea for this air filter from the Buick V6 and the Buick 455. I've been using that for about 8 years, thanks to No Lift. But anyway, so far so good. I'm gonna get you guys an update in regards to that alleged, well not alleged, for the lifter noise, on and off lifter noise. Oh, and my new panel, I'm gonna show you guys that. I set my wires up, new wiring. These are very cheap. They come with this pilot set, they're cheap. I put thicker gauge of wiring, and it's connected much better now than it was from the, I see a mosquito in here. That's why I got preoccupied, I'm sorry. So anyway, this is my new toggle switch panel. This is paper, this is foam board. My template is made out of foam board. I have to do a modification to the TCI shifter so I can get that piece of metal out of the way. You see under my finger? That's preventing this from going all the way down. That was a problem with the first aluminum plate, but this one is much better. I'm doing all of this myself, and I appreciate how Ralph set it up for me to begin with. I actually followed what Ralph, the king, at Ralph's Auto Center in Williamsburg, New York, Brooklyn, set up for me. So thanks again, Ralph. All of this you guys are looking at, that's Ralph. Everything is Ralph. All right, so I'm going in. So far, so good. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. And Charlie, Charlie asked me, was I gonna show this in a video? And I told him no, because it's just nothing really. But he had a point. So this is gonna look great. My aluminum, new sheet of aluminum, 1/16 of an inch. That arrives today. So I'm gonna use this existing template and cut out the plate, shifter plate out of aluminum. I'm getting tongue-tied here. But anyway, I'm excited. The aluminum should arrive today. I'm gonna have the guy in the neighborhood here to cut out the template for me. Slide it right in, put the screws in, cut that little armature piece off with the die cutter, and everything will fit nice and flush, nice and flat. And what else? Oh, show you guys my Charlie gave me the idea to get this instead of blocking out my license plate. It's not on, but the thing is, you see the imperfections. Well, you can't really hear, but they're really bad, and it's dented on one side, has a crease in it. So I sent the guy on eBay the photos. This came from North Carolina, as a matter of fact. So I sent the guy the photos, the eBay seller, saying, listen, I just want to let you guys know that this is damaged. I did not want a refund, did not want a partial refund, did not want an exchange, but he sent me 2 emails after the fact. I just wanted him to be aware, and it came sealed and everything. It was not the seller's fault. I just wanted him to be aware of how they are in the packaging. But anyway, he's sending me a brand new one. I'm gonna use one for the front, one for the back at this point. And I begged him, sir, no, it's fine. I still have the email as proof, saying it's fine, it's not even worth the trouble and hassle, nor the money to ship it back to you, and you go through that also. But it's a cool eBay seller. I'm gonna put his name in the description of this video, but so far so good. I just wanted to show that, and thanks again, Charlie, for giving me that idea. That way I don't need to edit out my license plate. Oh, it's my new cell phone. I'm still not used to it as of yet. But this is gonna look really, damn, see what I mean? This is gonna look really nice when it's completed. And I love my wiring. I got into the, I love it. I love setting up wiring. And I have the wiring harness tape. I think it's Tessa tape, not Tesla, the fast electric car. Tessa, if I'm not mistaken, it's Tessa tape for harnesses. I have all of that complete, so everything's gonna be done like it came, better than it came from the factory. And that's about it. So far, so good. Wait, I thought I heard that lifter noise. Anyway, so far so good, and I thank God very much. Have a great weekend, everyone. I will keep you updated. Wheel alignment, I haven't done that as yet because I've been really busy. But so far so good. I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you very much for your subscription, your views, your likes, your dislikes, your comments. I thank you guys very much. I really don't know much about YouTube subscriptions. I'm gonna look into it to see if I can, like I said earlier, make better videos and have them edited so to have a better presentation. But anyway, that's about it. I just wanted to get to the point. My new NGK plugs are in, gapped at, Jesus Christ, why can't I remember that now? They gapped at 60? I did it myself, Jesus Christ. But anyway, so far so good. Let me get up out of here. Got some things to do today. And thank you guys very much again. Have a great weekend. Tomorrow is Church Sunday. Have a blessed one. Peace.